checking demand forecast accuracy in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how each SKU's forecast tracks against actual depletions, where it diverges, and how adjusting its assumptions feeds forward into MRP and your brew schedule. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Demand from your dashboard. Demand planning shows you how well your forecast is tracking against what's actually selling, so you can trust the numbers feeding your brew schedule and MRP. Each SKU shows its forecasted demand for the period next to actual depletions, with an accuracy percentage. Consistently over-forecast, and you risk brewing more than you'll sell. Under-forecast, and you risk running short. Click a SKU, and I'll show you the trend over recent periods and where the forecast diverged from actuals. If a SKU's forecast is consistently off, adjust its forecast method or seasonal assumptions right here. That change feeds forward into future MRP coverage and brew scheduling recommendations. Use the period selector to check accuracy over a month, quarter, or year. I'd check this regularly, not just when something runs out. Small forecast drift is easy to catch here before it turns into a stock out or an overbrew. You end with the unreliable SKUs identified and their assumptions tightened.